Welcome to our channel, where we help you achieve financial success and make the most of your money. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 money mistakes that you should avoid. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or you're a seasoned pro, these tips will help you take control of your finances and build a secure future. So let's get started. Number 1, not having a budget. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their money is not having a budget. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and not have enough money for essential things like bills and savings. A budget helps you prioritize your spending, track your expenses, and plan for the future. To create a budget, start by listing all your income sources and expenses and then allocate your money accordingly. Make sure to review and adjust your budget regularly as your income or expenses change. There are plenty of budgeting apps available, such as Mint or You Need a Budget, that can make the process even easier. Number 2, maxing out credit cards. Credit cards can be useful tools for building credit and earning rewards, but they can also lead to financial trouble if not used responsibly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with credit cards is maxing them out. High credit card balances can hurt your credit score and lead to high interest payments. Only charge what you can afford to pay off each month. It's also important to avoid opening too many credit cards at once and to pay your bills on time. If you have a balance on your credit card, consider transferring it to a card with a lower interest rate to save money on interest charges. Number 3, impulse buying. Social media and targeted advertising can make it easy to make impulse purchases. However, impulse buying can quickly add up and lead to overspending. Avoid this by making a list before going shopping and sticking to it. If you do see something you want to buy, wait 24 hours before purchasing to give yourself time to think about whether it's a necessary purchase. You can also practice the 30-day rule, waiting 30 days before purchasing to see if you still want or need the item. Number 4, not shopping around for better deals. Whether it's groceries or car insurance, taking the time to shop around can save you a lot of money in the long run. Don't just settle for the first option you find. Do some research and compare prices before making a decision. You can use comparison websites to find the best deals on everything, from car insurance to electricity providers. You can also negotiate prices with service providers or retailers to get a better deal. Number 5, not tracking your spending. It's easy to lose track of where your money is going if you're not keeping track. Use a budgeting app or write down your expenses to help you stay on track. This can also help you identify areas where you may be overspending. By tracking your spending, you can adjust your budget and spending habits to better align with your financial goals. Number 6, ignoring loose change. While it may not seem like much, loose change can add up over time. Keep a change jar and deposit it into your savings account periodically. You can also consider using an app like Acorns or Qapital that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. These small savings can add up over time and help you reach your financial goals faster. Number 7, buying a new car. Cars depreciate in value quickly, so buying a new car can be a big financial mistake. Consider purchasing a used or leasing a car instead. Do some research and compare prices to find the best options for you. If you do buy a new car, make sure to negotiate the price and consider the total cost of ownership, including insurance, maintenance, and repairs. Number 8, eating out too often. Eating out can be convenient, but it's also expensive. Try cooking at home more often to save some money. Meal prepping and planning can also help you save time and money on groceries. Eating out can be reserved for special occasions or as a treat rather than an everyday occurrence. Number 9, not saving for emergencies. Life can be unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any time. That's why it's important to have an emergency fund. Set aside some money each month into a separate savings account for emergencies. This can help you avoid going into debt or having to dip into your other savings for unexpected expenses. Number 10. Not investing for the future. While saving for emergencies is essential, it's also important to save for the future. Investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds can help your money grow over time. Do your research and consult with financial advisors to determine the best investment strategy for you. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, and diversify your investments to minimize risk. In conclusion, avoiding these 10 money mistakes can help you achieve your financial goals and build a secure future. By creating a budget, avoiding impulse buying, tracking your spending, and investing wisely, you can take control of your finances and make your money work for you. Remember, financial success takes time and discipline, but the payoff is worth it in the end. Thank you for watching our video on 10 money mistakes you should avoid. We hope you found these tips helpful and informative. Remember, financial success takes time and discipline. But by avoiding these common money mistakes, you can achieve your financial goals and build a brighter future. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more financial advice and tips. See you in the next one!